I'm Vienna. Welcome to my brand new baking channel, Live, Cook, Love. This is my #1 requested recipe, Dream Buttercream. I call it Dream Buttercream because hey, that looks dreamy. And you know what? It can't just be pretty. It has to taste amazing. This is a really simple, straightforward recipe, but I've tweaked it a little bit to make it my own and to make it super delish.
Only 5 ingredients: butter, confectioner's sugar, half and half, vanilla extract, and almond extract.
Everybody's asking me, my clients are like, how do you get the buttercream so yummy? And a lot of my online followers, friends, and family, they're asking, how do you get the buttercream to stand up with all of those fancy flowers that you make with the Russian piping tips? This buttercream is amazing for that. So let's get started. We've got our room temperature butter. Press your finger and you can see your fingerprint in the butter. That's how you know it's room temperature.
Mix your salted butter for about 30 seconds. And yep, I use an old school hand mixer. Add 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract and a ½ teaspoon of almond extract. Next, we add our confectioner's sugar in 3 parts. So I use a standard bag, which is 2 pounds or 7 cups, to frost and fill 2 dozen cupcakes. So if you just want to make a dozen, you could always cut this recipe in half very easily. Be sure to scrape the sides of your bowl to incorporate all of that sugar. Next, we add our 1/4 cup of half and half, also in 3 parts. I generally mix for about 30 seconds in between each addition. And guys, I use half and half because we all have that in our fridge. Most recipes call for heavy cream or milk, but I like to use what I have. A quick taste test to make sure it's getting super creamy. A little bit more half and half and mix it really well. As you can see, it is just super dreamy at this point and ready to get in your piping bag and make the magic happen. And you guys know I'm all about the glam, so I've got to add that luster dust to give it some sparkle.
Is there such thing as too many curves? I just want to eat this entire bowl. Don't eat the entire bowl. Share with your friends. Share with your family. Very first recipe, Live, Cook, Love, my Dream Buttercream. So try it and post your pics. I want to see your pics. I want to see your buttercream. Bye guys, thanks for watching Live, Cook, Love. Check me out on YouTube and hit the subscribe button. With love in everything you bake.